Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best washer and dryer. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Electrolux ELFW4222AW washer and dryer. The Electrolux washer and dryer are the next best pair if the Bosch's washer voltage and dryer drainage requirements are a problem. The Electrolux pair gets good ratings for cleaning power and has a slightly larger washer capacity than other compact models, but the same fast spin speed as the Bosch. And this is a better option if you don't want to hook up the dryer to a drain, or if you have access to a 120-volt outlet only where you want to install the washer. However, we found an uncomfortable number of reviews about poor reliability and customer service, and it's also missing an accelerated wash option. Number 7 in my list is Bosch washer and dryer. Bosch is a laundry heavyweight in Europe, where this style is the norm, and the company has a reputation for making sturdy, effective, efficient machines backed by helpful customer service. The Bosch 300 series washer is one of the more affordable compact models with an accelerated wash cycle, significantly cutting cycle times. It also has a very fast spin cycle, which pre-dries clothes so they don't need to spend so much time drying. The matching dryer is a ventless condenser model, and the washer can piggyback off its power supply, so you need only one outlet for the pair. Number 6 in my list is Black Plus Decker Small Portable Washer and Dryer. These two units are ultra-portable. That's the draw. They are basic, with simple cold water wash cycles and 120-volt powered dry cycles. There aren't any fancy bells and whistles, and their capacity is limited. But that makes them perfect for RV or mobile home use, especially if it's just the two of you. The one drawback to both is the length of the power cords and water hoses. You'll need an extension cord, and you might have to move the washer around to fill and drain it. But these are portable, so that's probably implied. If you find yourself on the go more than staying put, then the Black Plus Decker BPWM09W and BCED15 washer and dryer set might just be what you need to stay fresh. Note that the washer and dryer are sold separately. Number 5 in my list is Samsung washer and dryer. The Samsung brings the popular bespoke line of appliances to your laundry room to impressive results. Not only does this washer have faster cycles to scrub out more stains, it distinguishes itself with a solid feature set starting with a huge 6.1 cubic foot drum. That giant wash drum is about 33% larger than the average washers, which means you'll need to run fewer wash cycles each week. Those with larger families stand to gain the most benefit here. The also has a ton of other features to help sweeten the deal, from a full set of steam cycles to help sanitize your laundry and remove wrinkles, an interior LED for easier loading in dim laundry rooms, a self-cleaning mode to cut down on odors, and quiet cycles. Number 4 in my list is Electrolux washer and dryer. Washers and dryers can be noisy machines, but there are some exceptions, like this great set from LG. When we tested the units, we were impressed by how low the noise level was, even during larger loads, which are typically louder than most. Another notable benefit of this large set is the Wi-Fi connectivity and app, so you can turn the machines on and check the progress of your cycles when you're not at home. The washer has a power clean setting that uses 5 jets to thoroughly wash dirty clothes, plus a handy allergen cycle setting that tackles dust and pet dander. The dryer chimes a musical tone when a cycle is finished and can tumble dry clothes for up to 3 hours afterward to prevent wrinkles in case you forget to collect your load. Also, the reversible door allows you to open the dryer from the other side, saving valuable space for those in small spaces or apartments. Number 3 in my list is LG front load washer and dryer. Nothing says convenience like a washer and dryer set that combines both machines in one unit like this fantastic option from LG. The Energy Star certified wash tower has a stacked 4.5 cubic feet washer and a 7.4 cubic feet dryer. During testing, both machines were fast, powerful, and seriously intuitive. These sleek, attractive machines have large glass doors and built-in sensors to ensure your clothing gets washed and dried according to the load size and fabric texture. The speed wash cycle is great for cleaning items in a pinch, while the allergen cycle is ideal for those with pets or sensitivities to pollen and dust. You can control the unit and monitor its progress via Wi-Fi and the connected app, and when the cycles finish, the machines will emit a short tune. On the downside, the wash tower is pretty pricey, and if you don't leave the washer door open when it's not in use, mold can build up in the rubber trim towards the front. Number 2 in my list is GE28 washer and dryer. If you're constantly drowning in piles of laundry, opt for a large capacity washer and dryer set like this Energy Star certified one from GE, which has more than enough room to fit your clothes, linens, and towels. During testing, we found that the large drums on the machines make loading and unloading very easy compared to other models. When we tried out this washer, we found the large amount of preset settings on the washer to be thorough and easy to navigate. We also like the machine's convenient smart dispense tech, which allocates the exact amount of detergent needed for each load. The ultra-fresh vent system is also handy, ridding of extra moisture to prevent odors and mustiness. Number 1 in my list is LG 4.5 cubic washer and dryer. Want a great front-loading washer/dryer combo that'll leave your clothes and linens looking and feeling great? Look no further than this pairing from LG, 2 sleek machines that feature special technology that reduces wrinkles and odors and gets deep into fabric. The sizable and stackable. Appliances are Wi-Fi enabled too, so you can easily control them from an app and check in on your laundry's progress. They're sold separately, but you can find the dryer at Home Depot, Best Buy, or A.G. Madison. This washer and dryer set is known for its efficiency, and during our tests, we found the machines easy to operate and were impressed that they took half the time of other washers and dryers to clean. They're Energy Star certified and have a CE2 rating. We also found this set to be relatively quiet while in use, very simple to set up and use, and intuitive to operate either via the machines or the app. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.